Who they pursue now?
You ask me. We see you they run, come around, they follow you now.
Now shit, I won't come shit. They purge.
So now shit you want, now because they run, they follow you like this.
So upon the whole run, we run out to escort you come shit.
God don't talk and say one day people go escort me come shit. Now say go water. Huh?